Everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix not turning on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app my phone, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.